Hey everyone! Today we're going to be looking at opening multiple jobs within WorkPAK using our docking feature. So let's get started. So if we go up to this home icon right here, we're going to be in our planning tile. From here, I'm going to go to this documentation event and we'll be in our work scope. So this one has a filter on it. Let me clear this out really quick so I can show you. If we wanted to look at only the jobs that we are currently planning to make it easier and cleaner on this screen, then all we have to do is come up here to this little button right here and click, and then I'm going to select planning, and we see that it gets rid of all the other jobs that we have. So I'm going to start by opening up one of these jobs. We see at the top, this is the job that we just opened, and then next to that we can go back to our work scope list to see everything. So if we take this little tab right here and we start dragging it, there we go. If we start dragging it, we see in the center our docking container pop up. And if we hover over each one of these, we'll see that blue highlighted area showing us where we could dock this job. So we could have it at the top if we wanted, over on the side right here. We could have it a little bit smaller, or down at the bottom. So I'm just going to leave this one down here. And then if we wanted to, we could raise that up some so that we can better see it. Let's open up another job. So same thing, we can take this one, we just grab it, and then we can decide where we want to dock the job. So let's put this one right here. And then let's open up another one. And then we'll grab this one. Let's put it over here. And so we can do this with as many jobs as we want. And what you can also do is, if you're working on two monitors, you can take this job and you can drag it over to your other monitor. So you can have more than just what you're seeing here open at the same time. And so this is extremely helpful when you're working on multiple items, where you can go in and make changes to each one without having to keep opening up a job and then closing it in order to open a different one. We can just have all of our jobs open that we need to work within, and we can go in and add in any information on each one. We can actively work in as many jobs at a time as we want. So thank you for watching this tutorial video. Stay tuned for more.